Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a compatible micro SD card and safe parking position. Insert the card before power-up so the unit formats correctly. Plug the dash cam into 12V or USB while ignition is off, then turn ACC to power it. Mount the camera behind the mirror, center the lens to capture a wide field. Once installed, power on and follow the on-screen setup prompts: language, date, time, and video resolution, so recordings will have accurate timestamps and correct orientation. Once powered, dive into the menu to configure core settings. Pick resolution and 30 FPS for balanced file size and clarity. Adjust exposure for night driving. Enable loop recording so old files overwrite automatically, and set G-sensor sensitivity to capture collisions. Connect the dash cam to the Hyundai app over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Pairing lets you view footage, change settings, and download clips. Make sure to check for a firmware update. Updates fix bugs and improve reliability. Then confirm parking or motion detection modes are active. Finish by practicing daily use and routine care. After each drive, scan recent footage for incidents and export any important clips to your phone or cloud so they won't be overwritten. Format the micro SD card monthly and rotate cards every 1 to 2 years to prevent file corruption. If the cam fails to record, first confirm steady power and that loop recording is enabled. Next, reformat the card using the camera menu and reinstall firmware. If problems persist, reseat the connector and test the G-sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.